Hello, I'm Dr. Cesar San Jose, and I'm the Dean of the Graduate School. Our school is dedicated to providing a globally competitive graduate education and a strong culture of research. We invite you to advance your career and contribute to global knowledge with us. Because at 𝗍𝗫𝗃, we move forward.
Ready to excel and serve? Choose USI. Join the graduate school. USI offers PhD, major in Human Development Management and Educational Leadership and Management, MA in Nursing, MS in Social Work, Master of Arts in Education, majors in Admin and Supervision, Guidance and Counseling, Religious Education, Mathematics, History, Filipino, and Music. Become a Vincentian. Enroll today. Visit the University Admission Office and look for Ms. Kim or call 0919-0637-847.